Hi, this is Sarah from Meeting Hub. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up a shortcut bookmark for the admin panel. This avoids having to navigate via the Meeting Hub homepage each time you log in. Let's take a look at how to do that. I'm using Google Chrome in this example. If you use a different browser, you may need to research how to create a bookmark for that particular browser. Once you've logged in, click on the Welcome button and select My Meeting Hub. You're now on the admin panel where you can copy the URL at the top of the page. I do that by clicking Ctrl+C. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page and select Bookmarks and Bookmark Manager. Right mouse click on a blank part of the page and select Add New Bookmark. Name your bookmark whatever you like. I'm going to name this one Meeting Hub. Paste your URL and then click Save. I've now created a bookmark to the Meeting Hub admin panel. I'm going to log out of this instance so that I can show you how to use the bookmark. Simply click on the bookmark that you created. Once you've signed in, you will be navigated immediately to the admin panel. I hope that tutorial was useful. We will be creating more of these tutorials over the coming weeks, so keep your eye out. Thanks very much.